Very good morning, my dear lovely children. So, today we are going to read about advertisement. Okay, you see different products, like you see this is a Pond's powder. Okay, you see this one is a sanitizer. Okay, this is Lifebuoy immunity boosting hand sanitizer. So this is another product. This is Neutralite medicine, okay, from Amway company, okay, and this is Easy, okay, and this you see a Peacock brand copy, okay. So see how the copy is decorated. See, with different style, fashion is written here. The difference between style and fashion is quality. ये स्लोगन यहाँ लिखा हुआ है. To know what is the difference between style and fashion is quality. It's a beautiful quotation, okay. Then fashion, how it is fully designed, and see at the back of this copy is designed in such a way, fashion CF is written, and here the MRP is there with pages, okay. So this is the advertisement, this is the Peacock brand, okay. So now what is an advertisement? तुम टीवी में देखते हो विज्ञापन, टीवी में आता है बहुत सारे एडवर्टीज, इवन यू सी न्यूज़पेपर एडवर्टीजमेंट्स, ओके. नाउ advertisement is a notice or announcement in public medium to promote a product, event or a job vacancy. promote ये इसका एडवर्टीजमेंट दिखाएंगे तो आप ये पिकॉक खरीदोगे, या अभी सैनिटाइजर सब खरीद रहे हैं तो वंस यू सी दिस, इसका देखोगे एडवर्टीजमेंट, व्हेन यू सी यू बाय इट, ओके. तो टू प्रोमोट ए प्रोडक्ट का प्रमोशन हो रहा है, और एनी इवेंट. अभी इफ एट ऑल स्टार स्क्रीन अवार्ड्स और फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड्स, उसके बार बार एडवर्टीजमेंट्स टीवी में दिखाते हैं कि वॉच दिस ऑन Wednesday evening 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. this mega event, that is Filmfare Award or Star Screen Awards, like that. और एक जॉब वैकेंसी का भी एडवर्टीजमेंट्स होता है. सपोज वो निकालते हैं कि देर इज वैकेंसी फॉर द टीचर्स, ओके, वैकेंसी फॉर क्लर्क्स, ओके. सो advertisements is done for all these, for products, events and job vacancies. Now it is done to sell, उसका promotion करने के लिए, to sell. ये products हैं तो इसका selling होगा, okay. These are the products, then there will be selling of these products, okay, for this. Now shortened form is also ad. इसका short form क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? ads. टीवी में क्या आ रहे हैं? ads आ रहे हैं. Now in your chapter travel plans, we will be going to read this advertisements. Now see, some advertisements are there in your book, English reader book, and now we are going to read this topic, okay. So this is, now read the advertisement given below. Summer delights, Snow Crest Manor, Manali. So this is the advertisement of which place? Manali. मतलब this Manali, and this one a deluxe 30-room hotel located at the highest point in Manali, offering the best view in town with modern facilities. तो ये मनाली में क्या है? एक होटल है, स्नो क्रेस्ट मैनर, और उसके डिलक्स रूम है 30 रूम होटल लोकेटेड द हाईएस्ट पॉइंट, पूरा हाईएस्ट पॉइंट में है. यदि वहां से रहो तो तुम पूरा व्यू देख सकोगे, sightseeing, okay. Offering the best view in town. Manali, you know, it's a hill station. लोग यहाँ घूमने जाते हैं to spend their summer vacation or other holidays, okay, or to see snowfall in winter, okay. Now best view with all modern facilities. इस होटल में सारे modern facilities हैं. So this is an advertisement of a hotel. सो दिस इज समर डिलाइट्स, मतलब समर में जाके तुम यहाँ रहोगे तो बहुत अच्छा है. मतलब देयर साइट सीइंग प्लेसेस, द वेदर इज ऑल्सो nice here in the hill station, it is cool, Okay, and you can enjoy it. Now, another one of this is of Shimla, Springfields. What is the name of this hotel? Springfields. A large 11-room Maharaja's retreat with private lawns. मतलब lawn है यहाँ बगीचा lawn. See, you can see in the picture the lawns. Parking, ब्यूटिफुल व्यू एंड रॉयल सर्विस. ये होटल में सर्विस जो है रॉयल है, इन द सेंस आप जो भी ऑर्डर देंगे आपको जल्दी मिलेगा, अच्छा मिलेगा. ओके, एंड it will be quick, the service will be quick, and the qualities of food will also be very very good. So now, so we are reading advertisements. Now another page, this is page number 30. Now a travel agency has given the travel ads. I told you the short form of advertisement is ads. Page to the students of your school. Read the ads carefully and show the page to your parents.